see how it kick out?
Yeah.
It's doing that by itself, and I'm just catching it. Like the M4, I could do it. That's why I need a lot more space in this. The M4, I could do it on a skinny ass block.
Yeah, that's what I was just telling you when you did that shit by my house recently.
Yeah, this shit is not like that, bro.
I'm following.
So it's been a while, man. Finally got the wheels in for the 335. AR18s, so in the back I'm running 18s. I spoke about it in a previous video. On the front, so I'm gonna run some 19s. I had to take the car by Yuri to get washed so I can put some sticky stuff on there, throw some lights on there, and like do a nighttime Christmas tree burnout thing. Maybe even go to one of these Christmas light shows they have not too far from here. Just have some fun. My car got Christmas lights on it, and you know how it go.
It's funny, this shit is like white.
Yeah, right?
Where's the M4 at?
It's at the crib.
You don't really drive it much anymore?
I don't really drive it that much at all.
Parked it up for the winter?
Yeah. You actually, shit, you can actually put some in there too.
Not right now, and that shit gonna freeze over.
Oh yeah, you're right.
In the summer, that's fine.
Yeah. This thing is sick, yo. Oh, and it's new, my man. Congratulations, just picked it up. Yeah, I just see it. I like it, man. What you getting done to it? Oh yeah, bro. Whoever owned this last though, that paint is atrocious. You don't even have to bring the light. You don't have to bring the light, bro. This paint is crazy. Talk to him.
No machine washes.
Look at that. Yo, you see that?
But it's not only that though. It's a bunch of holograms, compounds, but we're gonna take all of it out.
This is like Shorty's S4 I brought you. It's like this is how bad this was, bro.
That one was low-key worse.
Yeah. Whew, got the big bitch. Twin turbo V8. I've been looking at these things. These things is nice, man. I can't afford this and the M4 at the same time and the 335, you know, unless I want to eat peanuts for breakfast. Ooh, yo, it's something about the 5 Series and up has
optioned out really nice too. You got those doors.
Yo, it is option night. Yo, I love this interior, yo. It just looks so boss. Oh. Dang, this thing is boss, yo. Congrats, bro. Congrats if you're watching this video on the M4. This is a bad bitch. Anybody been following the channel that far back will know me. My first car I owned was a 5 Series. Well, my first BMW was a 5 Series, and I just loved the way the interior was. Had the oyster seats and the oyster interior, but I just loved the way BMW do that 5 Series, bro. It just feels like a way more premium car. Even the door, like it's just solid, yo. And look, soft close. The M340s, I would say, is the perfect built all-around car, but the M550 is like the bigger version of the perfect all-around car. Nice serum gray trims like I used to have on the M340s. Man, you did good, man. You did good. Man, pull up one day. Let me drive this thing, man. Let me take this for a little spin. I need to take this for a spin. This is Yuri's Ferrari. Yo, this reminds me of my Civic. I used to have the same setup. The dash, everything looks kind of the same, even though this is a better version. The Acura is a lot cleaner. Definitely want to drive this. Back in the Honda days. It could use some touching up though. Like this right here, the rustedness. The rusted thing.
R15.
Huh?
Can you hold that for 1 minute?
Oh, thanks. Oh shit, my wallet.
Ready for the sale.
I ain't selling it just yet.
F30, 340 coming in right now.
Hell nah. I like this. I think I would like this better than F30, bro.
Yeah?
Yeah, I just love this E92 better than F30s, bro.
The silver is nice though.
The
I love silver.
Very clean. So, oh shit, my coffee done fell. I think these small ones are probably too small, but boom, check this out. I got some LEDs. I'm gonna be turning my 335 into a Christmas tree. Now, I know this is probably not what anybody's expected, but I feel like if I'm gonna do the last, probably the fattest burnout I'm ever gonna do on this channel, because I'm getting rid of these tires for the 18s, I might as well send it. So what better to send your car with around Christmas time with some Christmas lights on there in a Christmas show? We're gonna see. This is what I'm gonna be using to power these lights, because you do need a house plug. So it's called the Power Station Go Rugged. This thing is dope. So Brian sent this to me, and this thing is already useful because I told you I've been getting like a slow start in this, which means probably the battery ain't that great for winter conditions. I was gonna just replace the battery, but it works. And new battery's like 300 something bucks. Brian sent this out to me, so I mean, I'll rock with this. If I really get a slow start so the battery can't make it anymore, I'll just jump in and get a new battery. Call me cheap, but I probably am. I also have a whole bunch of different other ports. Like this one I think is for USB. Now the only complaint, if this is the newest model, is that they don't have USB-C, which charges fast. But I mean, worst comes to worst, you can just plug your USB-C into an AC outlet and use that. This is for the jumping cable. So this is what you'll be using if your car is out of juice, or not out, well, you know. Wow, look at this right here. So boom, you plug up the jumping cables and you fire this thing up, and it should have no problem. Haven't used it. Comes with a flashlight as well. This thing is I don't know how charged it is. I can't tell how charged it is. This thing is at 100%. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fire up these lights. Well, I'm gonna put on the lights, fire the car up, turn the lights on. We're gonna see how long it lasts. Hopefully it lasts me long enough to get this fat ass burnout at night. Hopefully at a Christmas show. If that goes good, everything works. The car looks super dope. Oh, it looks so clean. Damn, this car looks so clean. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I am not that upset to see these wheels go. At the tires, I'm gonna throw those on. But hopefully everything works out good. I might do a this gonna be fun. Hold on a second. Finally got it done. Not as much as I wanted to make it all the way around. I think I need another strip. Don't know if I'm really gonna do it. I might just have people get the donuts from this side. I don't even know how it's gonna come out. It's gonna look weird or wild. I wish I could have thought about this better and got the flashing lights. It would look way better, but hopefully at night the vision is there. I don't know why I'm doing this. Plug it in like so. Oh. Let me know when you're ready to pull her out.
Oh, wait, yeah, hold on.
Yo, this man works his magic over here. You too, man. Sheesh. I miss that space in the 5 Series, man. You got that space in the back. I miss that shit, man. Nice color combo too. The blue with the cream. That's a dope ass sexy combo. Damn, man, I love this shit. What you got, man? Let me see something, man. These what kind of tires are these? Summers, winters, all seasons?
All seasons. Proxy STs.
Let me see what you got going on. Oh yeah, it sound good, man. Sound good. Yeah. Huge improvement from the C300, bro. Good shit. Good shit. And the 435. God, this thing is loud. So what made you get this? Oh shit, bro. I don't got no nuts no more, bro. I don't have no nuts, bro. that just, bro. Oh, dang, that shit moves, man.
I mean, it's nothing like the M4.
It's a different type of thing though, man. It's different because I guess one, I'm the passenger, but two, you're moving something so fast. I mean, you move something so big so fast. I'm more so thinking about the cars, like braking time, you know what I mean? Like if somebody jumps out, because we know how people drive out here. Yo, you a madman, bro. Be safe, man. They're too damn fast.
And it's late. I think it's slow already.
Yeah, you on drugs, man. That motherfucker crazy. I know y'all seen that. That motherfucker crazy. I ain't getting in the car with him no more. No more. That scared the shit out of me. You good? You get
All these times for single turbos.
Woo. Yo, you killed it, bro. Yo, and we still even dropped, yeah, still at 100%.
Don't worry, I threw you in there too.
Nah, he's about to go. Check it out. We got the Christmas tree. We call it in the Christmas tree. It actually looks really good. Like, I love the way it looks right now. I did not mean to park this crooked. These wheels do look cool too, but can't find exact replacements. I like the fact this is my first BMW. Well, this is my first car where I'm actually running the actual like lips on the wheels. I really like that. It looks really nice. I love it. Silver on silver surprised me because I definitely thought I was gonna have to get these powder coated. So glad we were able to figure out a solution. The only thing is that the rears are now 18s. I love the way the car sits right now. Especially how that rear tire is tucked. It just really gives nice race car vibes. The only thing that's gonna disappoint me is if the 18s don't look as good on the back. You know, my car, the M4, has 19s in the front and 20s in the back, and it doesn't look that bad, but I don't know, I just love this setup right now, and I just hope that everything will tuck and fit exactly like this. So I head into the tire shop, got the wheels and the tires in the back, winters, and we're gonna set it up, see how she runs, man. Yeah, it still smells like crazy tire smoke in this thing. I know my New York guys don't understand this, but it feels so good to have a clean windshield. That's one thing I pride in my M4. I don't have to put no stupid stickers on the front. I don't have to rock a front plate. I don't have to get an inspection every freaking year or whatever have you. Like, so many different perks. This thing, I get tickets because my front plate fell off. You know, I get tickets for inspection, all that crap, and you know, my windshield's cracked. I went to get a new windshield, but they didn't have the OEM one, so I ripped everything off. You know, to anticipate it for transfer it over And yeah, man, they ain't have the OEM, so now I'm rocking straight clear windshield, no registration, nothing on the freaking window, and it looks so clean. I don't even think I'm gonna put it on the new windshield, park it up, see, you know, I don't know, man. We gotta figure out something, but it looks so much cleaner. How's it going, man?
Nice wheels.
Thanks, man.
Same as the other one?
Yeah, the company made a mistake and then they discontinued, so I'm left with trying to fit an 18 on the back. It's wider tire, so.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, because originally I bought all 19s, but they were out of stock, and then they discontinued the wheel. So they're like, the only thing I can do is return all the wheels or take 18s and then 19s. So I have a fatter tire on the back. We'll see how it works.
You have a fatter tire that's gonna go in the back there?
Yeah. It's so this is a rear wheel drive car, so I need winters. Huh? Yeah.
How's that gonna work? You don't have any room in there now.
Oh no, they have to raise it up. So it's on coilover, so they raise the suspension up.
Oh.
But this is a winter tire, so you'd have more control
Right.
in the winter and the snow.
Yeah, no, I had all-wheel, rear-wheel drive
Yeah.
in my life. You know?
Man, I learned my lesson. I had summer tires one time, man. Huge difference.
Oh yeah.
Oh, this is it. So, quick update. I pulled in the line. I'm like, yo, it's super low, bro.
Yeah.
I could have sworn you were on like,
Maxed out.
yeah?
Yeah.
What kind of coils are these?
Megan Racing.
Oh shit, I should have. Yeah, man. Now I make a YouTube channel. It's called Slow Speed.
Slow speed?
Yeah, check it out, man.
Okay.
It's nice. I got a I had a G20 before.
Really?
Yeah, I had a the M340.
Oh,
Yeah. It's just pretty quick, man. I like it though, man. Yo, take it easy, all right?
Yeah, you too.
Oh, look at that. Nice. Man, that thing was slam. He's on coils. That's static. He running like that every day. I had to run to the bank, get some money and some checks, because, you know, people like to be paid. And, yeah, I had to run and get the locks, the wheel locks. So, hopefully, they close at 5. The goal is that, we can get the job done. We'll see. Hopefully I make it back before 5. If not, then it's a fail because I gotta leave and head out. So I'm trying to get the 335 done before I gotta head out, so I can show you guys what it looks like. Finish the video.